Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to use the night mode on your Timex Ironman Triathlon. This is going to work for most Timex Ironman watches. So what this function is going to do is that your display is going to light up irrespective of the button that you are going to press. So normally the dial, so the screen, will only light up if you press the light button, in our case the Indiglow function. Now in order to activate the night mode, we are going to press and hold the Indiglow button for about 5 seconds. You are going to hear a small beep, and as you can see we now have the half moon sign right there. This is going to signal the fact that now when I press any of the 5 buttons, the display is going to light up. Let's also have a look at that. So if I press the start split button, as you can see, it lights up. Let's also try the mode button. Once again, of course it is also going to work for the light button. So now the night mode function is going to be activated. So this feature is going to be very useful if you want to, let's say, use your watch a lot at night, if you work in a night shift and you also want to use all the functions that the watch offers. In order to end the night mode, we are going to press and hold the Indiglow function once again, and that feature is going to be deactivated, and you know that by the fact that the half moon is going to disappear, so it is no longer going to appear on the screen. So guys, that was the quick tutorial that I had for you today. In case you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features of the Timex Ironman Triathlon, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. And in case you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. And in case you would like to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website, vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to see you in the next video, so make sure to like and subscribe.